Okay, so this is going to be a really quick Dollar Tree DIY. This is a really cute little charging plate that I purchased from Dollar Tree a while ago. And it was $1.25. So I have been wanting to make myself a Lazy Susan. So I purchased this piece from Amazon. It came with 2 of them. I think it was no more than about $7. I don't know what I did with the other one, but I'm not sure which is the top or which is the bottom. So all I'm going to simply do is I'm going to glue this on, and look at that. I'll have a Lazy Susan just like that. So we're going to go ahead and flip this over, and let me go ahead and let me take this off. So this will be out of my way. Okay, so I peeled off the sticker. I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol and just clean that off like that. Okay, so now I am going to take my E6000 and I'm going to put a generous amount all across this little metal piece here, all on this area here and here. You can use Gorilla Glue, whatever glue you feel comfortable with. Excuse me, but this glue is known to be industrial strength. It's very strong, so use caution. But this glue is known to be very heavy duty. Okay? All right. So, now I'm going to try my best to kind of put this on here right in the middle, and I'm going to press on that for a moment. Press on that. Okay, so I allowed this to sit on here for about 5 minutes. E6000 does take at least 24 hours to cure, but I'm just going to flip it over like that. Make sure it's nice and flat. Let's just kind of see if we can give it like a little spin. Look at that. It already works. It already works. Now, you don't have to do this, but for the sake of being extra, I'm just going to run a little line around the edge with some UV resin just to extra lock that in, because I want to use this. And I just want to be sure that it'll hold once I flip it. UV resin cures with a little LED lamp. You can get this on Amazon. I love to use UV resin. Any kind will do. And I'm just going to let that cure for about a minute. Okay, so I've allowed that to cure under the lamp. So even if this isn't, the E6000 isn't done curing, we can still use this. Now let me really give it a spin now and see. Look at that. And then if I wanted to go faster or smoother, I could probably just add a little bit of oil to it. I like that. Okay, so I want to test this out and see if I can get this to spin a little faster. That's how it's spinning right now. Not bad, but I want it to go a little faster. So I'm going to pour a little oil in here. I don't want this getting too messy, but I'm going to pour some oil in here and try to work that in and see if we can notice a difference. Okay, it did get a little messy. I'll wipe it off, but look at that. Look at the spin on that. Look at that. Okay, so if you're wondering, what do I need a Lazy Susan for? What does that do? You could put spices on here. I'm a crafter, so before I had like a motorized one. The battery kept going dead, it kept breaking. So for example, bam, when you're done blinking something out or making something cute, and you just want to showcase it, and you want to just give it a little spin. I don't have to worry about no batteries, nothing like that. And this is perfect for what I needed it for. Now, to be a little extra, what if we added just a little bit of bling to this charger plate? I got some cute little rhinestones right here. And I just want to put like a couple drops to add just a few rhinestones. Just a couple. Not a lot. Nothing major. And I'm just going to go and add a couple rhinestones to this, just like that. And once you add the gems you want, you have a lovely turntable, a display turntable, or Lazy Susan. And I think it's so adorable. Let's check it out again. These are my daughter's birthday shoes that I just recently did. And now I can display them. Yes. Oh yes, I love this. And this is a $1.25 charging plate from the Dollar Tree. These are some Aviva shoes from Walmart. The full video will be available on my channel. But yes, I love these. Isn't this adorable? Okay, so I hope this video helped someone. I hope you liked it. And again, if you have to, add a little bit of oil. And you can order the Lazy Susan metal piece on Amazon. I'm not sure what it's called. Just type in Lazy Susan adapter piece, and I'm sure it'll pop right up for you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.